Hello folks, welcome back to the workshop. First things first, if you haven't clicked like, subscribe, all the good stuff, get that out of the way first. And we are back on the Scrambler build. So you can see it's over there looking distinctly sorry for itself. The workshop is jam-packed with rubbish and various things. But I finally have all the things I need to put this back together. So as I spoke about in the last video on the Scrambler, got the damaged spacer here, which you've seen. So I rather foolishly ordered a replacement, a genuine Triumph Bonneville spacer, on the presumption that that would work, based on the measurements I did off the hub and all that being the same in terms of distance from the centre line of the disc to the centre line of the sprocket. But what I didn't account for is the difference in the cush drive. So the cush drive on the Bonneville is distinctly deeper than on the Tiger, so as a result bearing sits in a slightly different place, and that means that the internal spacer needs to be longer than a Bonneville one. So I ordered this, come to compare it, realised actually that's not going to go. So I've had a spacer made, which we've got here. So we've now got that in stock. It's lovely, square, it fits the axle nice. So it's a case now of just gently warming the wheel a little bit, just so we're not over stressing the hub when I put the bearing in, and we're not having to knock the bearing too hard. But we're going to get the bearings put in, much like what I did previously. So this will be time-lapsed. It is just knock a bearing in this side, put the circuit pin, flip it over, put the spacer in, and put the other bearing in. Then we need to replace the bearing that's in the cush drive and the seal, and then it should be ready to go back in. Yeah, I think that's about it. Then we'll get on to cleaning the brake caliper and all that sort of stuff. But let's just do it. The wheel's all good to go. We've got the new bearings in. That was nice and straightforward. The spacers in there, so hopefully that's all good this time round. So I'm just about to take the bearing out of the sprocket carrier crush drive, which is a sleeve bearing here. You can see there's quite a bit of debris sitting in there. So we'll knock that one out. Got a replacement for that and a spare, and the new seal to go in. Old seal should come out. That's all done.
What? Fire! 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 Where? Fire now!
And so we continue. Got the wheel in and the spacer. All pretty boring really. Just dropping a wheel in. The chain's going to need adjusting. Now I've got the small sprocket on, so you would have just seen me doing that. Not adjusting the chain, fitting the small sprocket, that is. And I've got to get the old slipper chain tensioner back out, which is what I'm about to do. Then replace that with the free spirits unit. So time for me to start swearing and trying to get these bolts back out.
What's up, weirdos?
Yeah, what's up, weirdos? Shade Tree Surgeon here. Get ready for another vlog with her 2 wheels. We're gonna go to every single bar, drink all the beers, curse like sailors, and have a great time.
Sorry, got distracted. If you haven't checked out Shade Tree Surgeon's channel, you need to do that. It's unique, very unique. So down here, finally got the chain tensioner out. That was a fight and a half. There was lots of swearing involved, but it's out and the footrest is bolted back on, so no issues there. I need to now undo the chain, get that off the chain, adjust the length of the chain, fit the new one, and then basically bolt it all back together. But that's going to be it for this episode. It has gone very dark outside. I've about reached my limit of what I've got in capacity for this evening. So yeah, join me in the next episode, and hopefully we'll get this finished and we can take it for an MOT, because I just realised about half an hour ago that the MOT is expired. So hopefully it passes. Who knows? Thank you for watching, guys. Really appreciate the support. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff as per usual. Yeah, and join me in the next one. It'll either be on the Scrambler getting that together, or back on Emily's bike. We'll see. There'll be something. But yeah, take it easy.